Viewers, subscribers, welcome back to the Coaches Desk, my people. You know, we're here again, as usual, to give you another top video, people, and to let you know what is happening with the Reggae Boys, you know what I mean? So, definitely, I must say, people, look out for the merchandise. They are coming, people, they are closer than you think. So, Coaches Desk merchandise will be coming in short order, people, and we really look forward for the support. We're just gonna be sharing the link with you, and as best as possible, you could also share it with your family members and friends, and also other supporters of the Coaches Desk. You know what I mean? And we really appreciate the help already. Really appreciate the support already. Big up on yourself, people. All right, so another thing, people, a big debate is coming up. Yes, a big debate is coming up. Yeah, man. Big debate is coming up this Sunday where we're going to be having a going up against a cataract sound. You can't afford to miss it. People, you ask for it and you will be getting it. Yeah, man, it's going to be an epic debate. Um, the gentlemen, they are ready. The judges, they are ready. And definitely, they are good to go. So as long as all is equal, everything is okay, we will be having that massive debate on Sunday. Yeah, and we're looking forward to it. As I said, people, we know you have Team Cataract and we know you have Team Cranky. So, people, I want you to drop some comments already in the comment section down below and tell me which team will you be supporting? Is it Team Cranky? Is it Team Cataract? Yeah, man, just let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know your thoughts on that one. Definitely. So, people, as you can see in the title of this video, Leon Bailey won't start for Aston Villa. You know what I mean? Yes, he won't be starting for Aston Villa. And also Devon Speedy Williams netted twice. The man bag a brace, people. So these are the things that we want to talk about in this video. All right. So Devon Williams, people, the big bad midfielder. Yeah, man, he scored a double. We call it a brace, 2 goals for Miami FC. Yeah, man, and the team actually came from behind to win 3 goals to 2 over Pittsburgh. Yeah, Pittsburgh Riverhounds, and that is in the USL. So Devon Speedy Williams continues to stamp his authority, his quality in this USL league. And a matter of fact, he went up against Kennard Forbes. Many of you might know that player. Yeah, man, that's the player he went up against. He plays for Pittsburgh, definitely. And it's a good look for Devon Williams because he will actually be, letting persons know, yeah, letting persons know that he is still here. He's still gunning. He's still playing quality football. Yeah. Not only that, he's scoring goals. You know what I mean? So big up to Devon Speedy Williams on that victory there for his team. Now, going forward to Leon Bailey's story. Yeah, man, Leon Bailey won't start in the game, from what we understand, in that first Premier League game against Watford this weekend. Yeah, man, still anticipating Leon Bailey running out for a start against Watford on Saturday. Now, of course, we know that Leon Bailey, people, has been officially unveiled by the Aston Villa player after signing a contract to 2025. Yeah, so that is a given. He celebrated his birthday a few days ago. Yeah, man, and he would have gotten a lot of support from fans around the world. You know what I mean? But I mean, it is something to make note of that Leon Bailey will not start. due to only joining training, which is gonna be like probably um today. Yeah, because this information I'm looking at is it has been out for a day now. Yeah, it's an away game. Yeah, it's an away game, and I mean the team is hit by a lot of injuries. You have Watkins injured. But they said that he's not looking too bad in that situation. Yeah. Um, Although he's still in doubt, they say that he's still not looking bad. Buendia is also in doubt. You know what I mean? And Trezeguet is out for the season with an ACL injury, which is the anterior cruciate ligament. Yeah, that's the ACL. So definitely he'll be out. But there's something interesting about this Leon Bailey situation. You know, we know that he has been unveiled. We know that he has signed. He's eager to play, but somehow we have not yet seen a number that Leon Bailey will be wearing. I have not seen a jersey, a Leon Bailey jersey. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you have seen a jersey, let me know, people. Let me know. Let me know. Is Leon Bailey really fit to play any at all in that game? It's a question I'm asking. Yeah, or is Leon Bailey on the you know corona list, the COVID-19 list? I'm not certain, but I mean, I have not seen anything really of Leon Bailey. No, no jersey number. He was unveiled. Was he unveiled? With his shirt and so forth. Him being there physically. If it miss me, if it miss me, then correct me, people. But I have not seen it, and I mean, it is a situation where I am now following Aston Villa's social media sites. Yeah, and I have not seen any number for Leon Bailey being out as yet. So it begs me to wonder, you know, if everything is okay. Um, and then to hear this news that he won't start because of not being able to train with, on for the time that he should start training. So I don't know, but definitely, like I said, we have been starting to follow Aston Villa, and I'm certain a lot of Jamaican fans are following Aston Villa right now. So if you are Jamaican and you're following Aston Villa, definitely, I would love to hear if you have seen the number that on the jersey that Leon Bailey would be wearing. Yeah. So we just hope that everything is well. Yeah. And not wishing anything but good for the player. And we know that whether coming off the bench or starting, he will be doing well for Aston Villa this season. So, people, thanks again for tuning into the show. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate the effort. And just remember the big debate. And just remember that the merchandise, they are coming soon, people. Big up yourself. Stay safe. And as we normally tell you, people, yeah, what we normally tell you, what we normally say,